Okay, and then I'm just gonna do a little tug here. Let me know. Does that feel all right there?
Yeah.
Any tension in the spine with that?
Mm-mm.
Good, nice and relaxed there for me. Good. Okay. And go ahead and lift your head up there for me. And then just take a nice deep breath in. Breathe all the way up. Good. One more right here. Deep breath in, out. Good. Okay. And that leg right there. And let me know. Is that good right there?
Yeah.
That's already going. Good. Yeah, we're just gonna, right there we go. Okay. Go ahead and turn to the right again for me now. Yeah, less pull here now.
Yeah.
Perfect.